Hey everyone, my name is Bea. I'm a freshman art major here at Reed and I use she/they pronouns. I currently live in Naito, which is one of the freshman dorms here on campus. I am involved in a lot of art and creative stuff here on campus, so I'm a part of the Grail, which is our creative magazine where people submit like poetry and illustrations. I'm also a part of the art community, which in normal times goes on like trips to art museums and stuff, but during COVID we had a little art show at the end of last semester that I got to be a part of, and I was also part of Reed Arts Week, which is one of our bigger publications for art stuff as well. Because of COVID, I ended up in a divided double that I have to myself, and I decided to turn one half of the dorm into a little painting studio for myself, which I really love. And I also love that Naito, you get like this amazing view of downtown Portland from the windows. I'll show you later. So when you come into the side of the room that I use for sleeping, you'll see I have my dresser and my laundry, and on my dresser I keep things like stuff to make tea, and I have my Switch over there and a couple masks, and I keep most of my clothes in my dresser. I also have this really cute little earring thing that I put up with a command hook. And here's my closet. I do have a lot of storage in here, and I keep a lot of stuff in my closet, including like the fan that I use when it's hot, because Naito has heating but it doesn't really have air conditioning and it can get a little hot in the summer. And I also have some shoes, and I just keep pretty much everything in here that I can't find a place for. Right here I have my bed. I got a really fluffy mattress topper that makes it really comfortable, and I have some art up. And on my windowsill I have some plants, and you can see downtown Portland not super well from my phone, and there's some people outside playing soccer I think right now. Over here is my desk. I have some of my books. I keep a drawing tablet on my desk as well. And in the desk drawers I have like makeup and other stuff. And on my shelves I also keep more books, basically a lot of knickknacks. And over here I have some hooks that have things like masks and these butterfly wings that I got for a Halloween costume, and some bags. This half of the room I turned into a little art studio, and I also have my mini fridge. And you can see I keep like all my paint on the shelves, and on the higher shelves I have some food and laundry detergent. In my hall we kind of have it decorated. We decorated for Valentine's Day, and we just kept the hearts up because they add a lot of fun color. And on our bulletin board we have birthdays and other like information. And this is our common room. I really love our common room. We have this TV that we connect like our video games to, and we can have video game nights. We have like a full kitchen. A lot of people have left their food here because it's almost break, so everyone who has extra food has sort of left it here. And my favorite part of our common room is the fridge, because we got magnet poetry, and there's always really amusing stuff in our magnet poetry. The view from Naito is really awesome, especially on the 3rd floor. We have this great little balcony that you can stand on. This is our balcony. It's really beautiful. You can see all of Trillium from here, and you can walk around and you can see a little bit more of Naito. And over there you can see downtown Portland. And I love seeing everything in bloom this time of year. It's so fun. And this is the rugby field out here, you can see. This is one of the bathrooms in Naito. It's got a bunch of sinks. This one only has one stall, and this one has 2 showers. And we've got some fun little ducks on the soap dispensers. And one of the things about the Naito bathrooms is that the shower lights are on a 15-minute little timer, so if you turn it on, the shower lights only stay on for 15 minutes, so it does encourage you to keep your showers short. One of the unique things about Naito is this huge common space on the first floor. In this common space, there's a little TV, there's a bunch of tables, a huge couch, and we also have this pool table slash ping pong table that I've seen people playing with a couple times. It's really fun to watch people get heated over games of pool. Here's another little study area in the Naito Residence Hall. It's between the two wings, north and south. And again, it's got that really awesome view. You can see all of downtown. You can kind of see a little bit of Trillium in the distance.